Steamed codfish is one of the most loved dishes across many Chinese households because it is simple, healthy, and allows the natural sweetness of the fish to shine through. This cooking method has been enjoyed for generations, especially in Cantonese cuisine, where freshness and delicate flavors are highly valued. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we're making steamed cod fish, a light and delicious dish that is perfect for a family dinner, a healthy meal, or even a special occasion. To begin, make sure the codfish fillet is completely thawed. In a large dish, add some water, sliced spring onions, sliced ginger, and 1 spoonful of salt. Stir everything well until the salt has dissolved completely. Place the codfish fillet into the mixture and let it soak for about 20 minutes. This helps remove any unwanted fishy smell while gently seasoning the fish. After 20 minutes, remove the fish and rinse it thoroughly under clean water. Pat it dry gently and placing it onto a heat-proof steaming plate. Bring water in your steamer to a full boil before adding the fish. Once the water is boiling vigorously, place the fish into the steamer and steam over high heat for approximately 6 minutes. The exact cooking time may vary slightly depending on the thickness of your fish fillet, but the fish should become opaque and flake easily when done. Carefully remove the fish from the steamer. Scatter fresh shredded spring onions and ginger over the top. Heat a small amount of cooking oil until very hot, then carefully pour it over the spring onions and ginger. You will immediately hear a satisfying sizzle as the hot oil releases their wonderful aroma. Finally, drizzle steamed fish soy sauce evenly over the fish. The combination of the fragrant oil, fresh aromatics, and savory soy sauce creates a beautifully balanced flavor that complements the delicate cod perfectly. Tips for the best results: always use fully thawed fish and ensure your steamer is already at a rolling boil before steaming. Avoid overcooking, as codfish is naturally tender and can become dry if steamed for too long. Using fresh ginger and spring onions will greatly enhance the aroma, while pouring the oil at the right temperature helps release their full fragrance. If possible, serve the fish immediately after cooking to enjoy its freshest flavor and texture. For this recipe, you will need codfish fillet, approximately 400 grams. For the soaking mixture, prepare 500 milliliter water, 2 spring onions sliced, 10 gram ginger sliced, and 1 tablespoon salt. For serving, prepare 1 spring onion shredded, 10 gram ginger shredded, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, and 2 tablespoons steamed fish soy sauce. The estimated total calories for the whole dish are approximately 450 calories. Based on a finished dish weight of about 500 grams, the calorie content is approximately 90 calories per 100 grams. Steamed codfish is a dish that feels light and healthy yet satisfying. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share this video with your friends and family, give us a like, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more easy and delicious Asian recipes. We look forward to cooking with you again soon.